everyone. I'm Kim Panique, 31 years old from San Pedro, Laguna. I stand for self-acceptance and courage because as a trans man, I know what it feels like to live in the body you struggle to call your own. Even after my transition and surgery, I still am afraid to show these scars to people because I was afraid that people will judge me for it. And through fitness, it didn't give me just strength, but it gave me freedom. Every workout and progress I made helped me replace fear with confidence. And it reminds me, these scars, that this is not my flaw. It is a proof of my resilience. So today I stand here showing all of you that even though I am a trans man and I have now a courage to finally accept who I am and also accept and embrace this body that tells my story. And now I want to make sure that this is my super body.
Thank you. Your question comes from Miss Christelle. Hi Kim, what a good story.
Hello po, thank you.
My question for you is, so what keeps you going when motivation is at zero?
In terms of that one, hindi naman po maiiwasan na there are times that we feel down. There are times na demotivate tayo. But you have to think of the reason why you started it. You have to think of, because for me, I was thinking of my old self. That little girl na who wants to become a man, which he already achieved today. I was so afraid that people will definitely judge me, and now I have a courage to let them know that you won't be afraid. You don't have to be afraid to embrace who you really are. And with that, through fitness, it helps you become the man who you really want.
Male number 20.